the parrot who loved to repeat. The parrot had a favorite hobby, repeating everything she heard. If someone said hello, the parrot squawk,
"Hello, hello."
If someone mentioned banana, the parrot would immediately repeat,
"Banana, banana."
This habit made everyone in the village laugh, especially the kids, who loved to play games with the parrot. One day, a new villager, Mr. Robert, arrived and introduced himself to everyone. When he reached the parrot, he said,
"Nice to meet you."
The parrot replied,
"Nice to meet you, nice to meet you."
Mr. Robert, amused, asked.
"What's your name?"
The parrot squawked.
"What's your name? What's your name?"
The whole village burst out laughing, and Mr. Robert quickly learned that the parrot was the funniest, most talkative bird he had ever met. The parrot became famous in the village, and from then on, everyone made sure to greet her with something funny to say, knowing she'd repeat it and keep the laughter going.